Is this the ultimate engine? Mazda has just announced that they are bringing back the Rotary engine, previously found in the super high revving Mazda RX-7 and RX-8. The new updated motor will now be going into action in the upcoming 2023 Mazda MX-30 SUV. It will be part of a hybrid drivetrain. There will be just one 0.8 litre rotor that makes 74 horsepower and revs to 4,500 RPM. Mazda has paired the tiny rotary motor with an electric power unit that has a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery and a 50 litre gas tank. The Rotary is designed to charge the batteries or power the generator, to be a range extender where it can add 85 kilometers of driving once the batteries are completely depleted. Would you buy it?